Hello, as you can see in this question, it is asked a motorcycle stunt rider moving horizontally takes off from a point 1.25 meter above the ground, landing 10 meter away as shown. This is 10 meter, this is 0.25 meter. Okay, this can be uh, looked at as half projectile motion. So we know time taken to fall from this height is equal to time taken in this path. The basic thing about ball falling from cliff like this. So whether it is falling like this or falling like this, both will take similar amount of time. So let us find out this time first. The height is 1.25. So we know height is equal to ut plus half gt square. G is the gravitational acceleration acting downwards. Now u, vertically the initial velocity is 0. I mean in this direction. In this direction, it is 0. So this thing will be 0. So h is equal to half gt square. Now we can find out time from this. 2h by g, 2 into 1.25 by 10. Let us consider g to be 10. So it will be 0.25 seconds. Okay. Now the same amount of time will be taken in this course as well. So t here is also 0.25 seconds. Okay. Now in this 0.25 second, he has covered horizontally, he has covered 10 meters of distance or displacement, I can say. So the velocity will be the initial velocity horizontally. The initial velocity will be 10 divided by 0.25. That means displacement by time. So we get 20 meters per second. So V initially, V is in this direction. V is 20 meters per second. So the takeoff speed is 20 meters per second. So this is the correct answer. Thank you.